So Realme GT 5 Pro comes with 6.78 inches 2780-1264 OLED screen with Bow IS1 material achieving the industry highest peak brightness of 4500 nits, manual brightness of up to 1000 nits, global brightness up to 1600 nits, supporting Pro XDR high dynamic display and Dolby Vision HDR video playback. The screen incorporates advanced eye protection feature including AT-LTPO 2160 PWM dimming and high brightness of DC dimming with global eye protection 3.0 certification. To harness the robust capability of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Realme GT 5 Pro introduced the world's first 3VC ice-break cooling system. Covering an expansive area of 1200 square millimeter, this system breaks the passive cooling ceiling in the industry. Extensive testing revealed a cumulative 21.8 degrees Celsius reduction in core heat temperature. This is the world's first rapid point unlocking function smartphone. Distant from traditional screen touch method, this innovative feature allows users to unlock their device without physical interaction with the screen. Similar to face unlocking, the fingerprint unlocking function will be explored in a greater detail in subcontinent's discussion. The primary camera is 50 megapixel Lightia LYT808 lens with a large 1.4-inch sensor and optically matched stabilization. Complementing this is the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle macro lens utilizing the Sony IMX355 sensor. The device incorporates a cutting-edge 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens equipped with Sony IMX890 sensor. On the front, user can capture stunning selfie with 32 megapixel front camera featuring the Sony IMX615 sensor. The Realme GT 5 Pro, apart it is tuning support for Dolby Vision HDR shooting feature previously seen on Android phones. This capability extends to both the telephoto and main cameras, allowing to capture vivid and detailed content with HDR enhancement. The device supports shooting in up to 4K format. The phone supports 4500 mAh battery with lightning fast charging, 100 watt, 15 watt wireless fast charging. The smartphone also supports USB 3.2. Finally, the Realme GT 5 Pro has Dolby Atmos tuning stereo speaker, a linear vibration motor for superior aftertake, and IP64 rating for full dust protection and protection against splash of water. The base variant price is 12GB plus 25GB 3298 yuan.